Here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. That's a mixture of fields, I think. The rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted to help show the colours and patterns. Okay, I've zoomed in. These are offcuts from an opal cutter or miner. Something like this, just a nice pattern. This is backing for a doublet. Face going in underneath there by the looks. Comes around here. There's a piece of Boulder Opal, probably from Koroit area. It's got little nuts of opal in it. Again, just another slice with a few little lines of colour in it there and spots. It's another interesting piece of Koroit. Nice pattern, a little bit of colour showing here. Another piece of, looks like Koroit material. Nice pattern on that. Nice bit of colour in here. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.